Hello everybody. If you teach English to non-native English speakers, here's a game for teaching and practicing grammar. I call it Grammar Sets. It presents the grammar in a game, so it's fun, it's engaging, it helps the students to really think about the grammar and helps them to not be afraid to make mistakes. Watch the video, and if you think it's right for you, give it a try. And if you do give it a try, please let me know in the comments below how it went for you.
Blue on blue.
Let's see. Would you count with me by twos? 2, 4, 6. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. I was wrong. It was 30. Okay, what's 30 divided? You won the roll of the dice. What's 30 divided by 4? 7 and 2 left over, right? Okay, so everybody takes 7, and you two guys will take, so you guys are going to take 8, and you're going to take 7 each. 8, 8, 7, 7. Just take 7. Pass to the left. Oops, I forgot to press it. Looking good. Pass to the left. Could be. Pass. You got one? You finished one? Okay, please show us what you have. Would you show us? Show us? Yeah.
Amma is giving a gift to a girl.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll leave that one there. Oh, you have one. Okay.
Amma is throwing a frisbee in the air.
Okay. Leave that one there. No, so you've got one. You need to have at least 5 to. So you've got 3. Why don't you give? You've got 5. You've got 5. Why don't you give her yours? And maybe actually, why don't you two guys work together? Okay. You two guys can work together, all right? You don't need that. Okay. Pass one. Have one? Okay, everybody has 5, right? Okay, so we're going to change the rules. What you're going to do is take as many as you don't want and put them face down. And if you put in 1, you can take 1. If you put in 2, you can take 2. Okay? Like that. And there's no timer. Okay, anytime you want. Any one that you don't want, you just put it in there and then take a new one. Okay? There you go. Do you understand?
Finished.
Finished. Okay, go ahead.
Amma is feeding popcorn to the bird.
Okay. Is it okay? What do you guys think? Is it okay? Everybody's happy? Okay. Kenzie, you got yours?
A woman is reading a story to her son.
Is it okay?
Someone is digging a hole in the air.
Is it okay? Thank you. Okay, so we have someone is digging a hole in the yard. That picture there. A woman is reading a story to her son. A boy is throwing a frisbee to a girl. A man is giving a gift to a woman. A woman is sending an email to a friend. And a man is feeding popcorn to the birds. Now, you certainly don't need to have a fancy schmancy storage box for your grammar sets, but I did make one for myself. I took this old box of chocolates and made dividers for it, and then I put my color-coded grammar sets in here. They're color-coded so that if they do get mixed up, it's very easy to sort them out. And then up here on the box top, I put a little map of where everything is. So we have in purple, we have the have and don't have, and sure enough up here with the purple is the have and don't have. And we have simple past down here, and sure enough there's our simple past, same color, blue. And these guys over here are over here, so it's very easy to find what I want. So let's say I want to use present continuous, and I look around, and, oh, here's present continuous. In fact, there's 3 of them. So let's say I want this one here. It's got an orange border, and I look for it in the place that this map shows me where it is. I look, and sure enough, there it is in orange, so I know I have the right one. And when I'm done playing, just put them back in the same place. Very nice organization, very easy to find what I want to find. So, if you want to make something up for yourself, feel free, knock yourself out, have fun with it. And then you're ready to play grammar sets. Thank you for visiting my channel and for watching the video. If you want to try this activity yourself, you can of course design and create your own version from scratch, but you're perfectly welcome to print out my version and save yourself a whole lot of trouble. To do that, go to the video description down below under this video window. You might have to click the Show More, but then you should see links to all the PDFs that you'll need, and you can print them out and use them as you see fit. You just can't market them or sell them or claim them as your own. Once you've printed them out, you'll need to make game tiles. So in just a few moments, I'm going to have a live link to a video that shows how I make my game tiles. And as a little extra bonus, I'm also going to have a link to the video that shows how I make game cards for when I need playing cards for games in my classroom. Alright then, don't forget the like button below, and here are the videos that I promised you. Ta-da! Oh look, there's even a subscribe button. Thanks again, and I wish you the very best in your teaching. Blue on blue.